Friday night live improv from New York City. And we have a treat now. We have a game called Repair Shop, and it's with Don and Barry. Oh, did you not? Barry's just finding out now. Cool. What's going to happen is Don owns a repair shop, and Barry's been coming to his repair shop for years. It's going to be simply nice scene in Don's repair shop, except Barry's not going to know what the item is that he's bringing in to have fixed. And Don is going to know what the item is, but he's not allowed to say the words. So through hints and guesses, Barry has to try to figure out what it is. And when he gets it, he gets a pleasant ding as his only reward. By golly, that and all the exposure. So we're going to decide what it is that you are bringing into the repair shop. So in the meantime, everybody say bye-bye, Barry, because he's going to the waiting room.
Bye-bye.
Barry. All right. What are we going to have Barry bringing into Don's repair shop?
A sprinkler.
A sprinkler. Like a lawn sprinkler. This kind?
Lawn sprinkler.
Or this kind?
This kind.
Or this?
Maybe the one that goes.
Let's just go for any lawn sprinkler. I think that's fair.
Any lawn sprinkler.
And remember, if he gets it real quick, if he gets it too quick, I'll just get another one. I should say that when he's in the room. Okay, Barry, just remember, if you get it real quick, if you get it too quick, I will just get you another one. So if you're ready to play, let's do.
Cool. That's cool, man. That's great.
Hey, what's going on, man? How are you?
Hey, yo, Jimmy.
Wow, man.
It's so good to see you, man.
Wow, man. Where you been?
What
you been up to, man?
I don't remember a whole lot, Jimmy.
Okay. There you go. Have some
oh, Jimmy, man. Thanks.
There you go. Wow, man. You brought something.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here, hold on to this, man.
Let me see.
Hold on to this, man.
Oh, wow. Hold on,
No,
man.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna get it. Hold on. Jimmy, hold on, man.
All right, man.
Jimmy, hold on, man.
Jimmy, you said hold on, man. I heard it, man. Let me see what you got.
Jimmy.
You are getting, let me tell you something. You are losing your strength. What the heck?
It doesn't work, man.
That's because you're holding it wrong, man. You got to hold it like this.
Oh, really, man?
Well, let me just see it. Your hands it. Let me just see what it is. Let me see what we got here.
Man.
Oh, well, man. You can't smoke this.
Wow, I guess I've been holding it all wrong, like.
Oh, yeah, man.
It
should be working. It should work fine. I don't know what it. Let me connect this hose to it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got the hose. That's cool, man.
Yeah, man. Cool. By the way, I got a great bong also with a good hose. I just got it a few days ago. You want some of this? Here you go.
I like the hose, man. That's cool, but oh, Jimmy,
that's so good.
Oh, yeah, wow. Man. Hey,
yeah,
Jimmy.
It's clogged, man. The hose is clogged.
Oh, I should have watched an ad in the past 17 years, I guess.
You do? Take it apart to try and smoke it or something like that, and then repair it the right way.
I wasn't smoking through the hose, not on that. I use it at night.
You use this thing at night?
Yeah, man.
Wow, man, I think that's your problem. You
Oh,
probably shouldn't use it at night. To use it inside, you should probably put it outside. Put it outside, man. Put it outside in the grass.
oh, you know, like using my sprinkler?
Yeah, something like that.
Well done,
I went
gentlemen.
through it naked, man.
There you go. Have another bong. It'll work a lot better.
And
Jimmy.
that scene was brought to you by anybody who wondered whatever happened to Cheech and Chong. Wrong kind of grass, guys. Wrong kind of grass. That was well played, effortless, and yet expert. Thank you, Don, and thank you, Barry, and thank you for watching, man. We're gonna come back with more stuff. What? I don't know. What?
All right, man.
Thanks, Bon.
I don't know, man.
It's all right, man. Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Cool.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.